Okay, so as you can see, gotten everything back together here. Had to reattach this mount and put together the carrier. I was able to use the old spring clips. You notice I got a red sticky stuff on here. It's hard to tell on the camera, but I like to use this disc brake quiet spray to keep things from rattling around. This only goes on the back of the pad, nowhere else. Everything else is dry. In here, this is dry. There is no lubricant in here. This is all put together dry. If you need to, in this case, what I was working on, these are Reman, and so these are already pre-lubricated. But you can use heavy silicone grease for the sliders. Something to keep in mind: anti-seize is not a lubricant. Do not make that mistake. I'll show you what I use. Sil Glide brake lubricant is an excellent product. I've been using it for years. Any heavy silicone lubricant will do the trick. Also, because I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, I like to have all my stuff laid out. So I'm going to drag this poor man's creeper over to the right side, and I got my torque wrenches, and I got my sockets. I even wrote down from the repair manual what the torque specifications are so that I don't get them mixed up, because I don't want to blow them apart with my power tools. And so that's it. Now, this is not done yet, because seeing as I put on a new caliper, what I'm going to need to do next, once I put on the other caliper, is to bleed the brake system to fill the caliper with brake fluid and bleed any air out, so that we get good solid transmission of force from the master cylinder to the brake pads. Okay, I'm going to work on the other side and I'll get back.